In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit consent in the pop-up. Choose this gear icon at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to, checking preview on the right. When you're ready, click at the bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Apply at the bottom here, and exit Magic Fluids app. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!